Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Jazz. I make motherhood, lifestyle, and food content. If you guys like that, then make sure to subscribe. If you want or need more mom friends, then join the mom gang and come on in and make sure to subscribe. Today I am unpacking a lot of the things that we got from the grocery store. As you all know, we do use Home Chef for our dinner meals and for meal prepping and things like that. So the only thing that we go to the grocery store for now is junk and lunch food for my husband and for my son. The only things I get are breakfast food for me and breakfast drink. As you all know, I pretty much just drink cold brew in the morning, or I'll make coffee or tea. Those are like my typical go-tos. So my husband decided he would have lunch today, so I decided to make him salad. That is something that he wanted to eat for the rest of the week, and it's pretty light than having sandwiches. Later on, my son said he wanted to have sandwiches for school, so I had to run back to the grocery store and go get him all the things so I could make him a sandwich for school. And everything that we have here is either for my husband or for my son. This was under $100, I want to say. So, or I think maybe like $110, or yeah, maybe like 110. So I think that was a pretty good deal because we did get a lot of things in bulk because it actually turned out to be cheaper that way. I got me the Bai drinks and the white chocolate mocha creamer, and my husband got the root beer. He's a big root beer fan. I don't know why he always just buys the little 4-pack, because he just drinks it all in one day. So this is everything that we got for lunch this week. If you guys like this content, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.